Welcome to the colorful and mysterious world of nature. When we think of caterpillars, many of us imagine small, leaf-munching creatures that are often considered pests. However, nature always has a way of surprising us, and the world of caterpillars is far more fascinating than you might think. Some caterpillars are so beautiful they look like living works of art, while others possess extraordinary abilities, such as glowing in the dark, perfect camouflage, or even carrying deadly toxins. There are also those with such bizarre appearances that they seem like they belong to another planet. Today, let's embark on a journey to discover the 10 strangest caterpillars on the planet, where the line between beauty and danger becomes almost invisible. Green Circle 1. Hickory Horned Devil, the gentle beast. Among the world of caterpillars, the hickory horned devil stands out as a true giant. Growing up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters long, its turquoise-green body is adorned with bright orange-red spiky horns that make it look like a creature from a horror movie. But don't be fooled by its terrifying appearance. This caterpillar is completely harmless. The spiky horns are nothing more than a defense mechanism to scare off predators. When threatened, it arches its body and waves its horns menacingly, but it doesn't bite or sting. After completing its larval stage, the hickory horned devil transforms into the magnificent regal moth, one of the largest and most beautiful moths in North America. Sadly, the adult moth only lives for a few days, just long enough to reproduce before its life cycle ends. Red Circle 2. Saddleback caterpillar, the toxic saddle. If you ever find yourself hiking in the eastern United States and spot a tiny, bright green caterpillar with a brown saddle on its back, beware. That's the saddleback caterpillar, one of the most venomous caterpillars in the world. Its vibrant green body features a brown, saddle-like marking in the center, bordered by white edges. Surrounding this distinctive marking are numerous bristle-like spines that deliver a painful sting when touched. The venom can cause intense burning, swelling, and even nausea. Saddleback caterpillars typically feed on various plants and shrubs during the summer. While they eventually transform into rather plain-looking moths, their caterpillar stage is when they truly make an impression, both visually and physically. Yellow Circle 3. Venezuelan poodle moth, the fluffy mystery. If there were an award for the cutest caterpillar, the Venezuelan poodle moth would undoubtedly win. Discovered in 2009 in Venezuela, this peculiar creature looks like a tiny, fluffy white poodle. Covered in soft, snow-white fuzz, this caterpillar appears almost too cute to be real. However, despite its adorable appearance, little is known about its biology. Scientists believe that the fuzzy coat might act as a form of camouflage or even as protection against predators. While there is no evidence that this caterpillar is dangerous to humans, touching its delicate hairs might still cause mild skin irritation. Its adult form, the poodle moth, retains the same fluffy appearance, making it look like a plush toy come to life. Purple Circle 4. Jewel caterpillar, the living gem. The jewel caterpillar is nature's very own gemstone. This stunning caterpillar has a transparent, glass-like body that glows under the sunlight, making it look like a moving crystal. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, the jewel caterpillar uses its transparent body as camouflage. Predators often overlook it, mistaking it for a drop of water or a piece of jelly. Interestingly, this caterpillar doesn't rely on venom or spikes for defense. Instead, its slimy, gelatinous body makes it difficult for predators to grab. Once it completes its larval stage, it transforms into the bright orange Acraga coa moth, losing its crystal-like appearance but retaining its vibrant charm. Orange Circle 5. Lobster caterpillar, the crawling crustacean. The lobster caterpillar earns its name due to its uncanny resemblance to a tiny lobster. Its segmented body, reddish-brown color, and curled tail make it look more like a crustacean than an insect. Found primarily in Europe and North America, this caterpillar often feeds on oak leaves. When threatened, it arches its body and raises its tail, mimicking the defensive posture of a scorpion. However, this behavior is purely for show, as the lobster caterpillar is completely harmless. As it matures, the lobster caterpillar metamorphoses into the Storopus phagi, a brown moth with excellent camouflage that blends perfectly with tree bark. Black Circle 6. Vampire caterpillar, the blood-sucking bug. The vampire caterpillar sounds like something out of a horror film, but it's very real. Once it reaches adulthood, it transforms into the Calyptra thalictri, a moth known for its unusual feeding habit, drinking blood. Male vampire moths have evolved specialized mouthparts that can pierce the skin of animals and humans to suck blood. While they rarely target humans, there have been documented cases of these moths feeding on people's blood. Though the bites are relatively painless, scientists believe that the blood provides the male moth with essential nutrients needed for reproduction. This bizarre adaptation has earned them the spooky nickname of vampire moths. Yellow Circle 3. Venezuelan poodle moth, the fluffy mystery. If there were an award for the cutest caterpillar, the Venezuelan poodle moth would undoubtedly win. Discovered in 2009 in Venezuela, this peculiar creature looks like a tiny, fluffy white poodle. Brown Circle 7. Spiny oak slug, nature's tiny porcupine. The spiny oak slug is a caterpillar that combines beauty with danger. Its vibrant green body is edged with bright orange and yellow, making it look like a tiny piece of abstract art, but don't be fooled by its eye-catching appearance. This caterpillar is covered in sharp spines that inject venom upon contact. The sting can cause intense pain, swelling, and even rashes that last for several days. Despite its fearsome defense mechanism, the spiny oak slug plays an essential role in forest ecosystems. It feeds on the leaves of oak and other deciduous trees, helping to control plant growth and maintain ecological balance. Cherry Blossom 8. Rosy maple caterpillar, the cotton candy crawl. If you think caterpillars are dull and boring, the rosy maple caterpillar will change your mind. This adorable insect looks like a piece of candy, with its soft pink and yellow stripes resembling a swirl of cotton candy. Native to North America, rosy maple caterpillars feed primarily on maple leaves, hence their name. They are completely harmless and often go unnoticed due to their habit of feeding high in the tree canopy. Once they pupate, they transform into the rosy maple moth, a stunning creature with pastel pink and yellow wings that look like they belong in a fairy tale. Green Heart 9. Giant silkworm, the silent killer. The giant silkworm may look like an ordinary fuzzy caterpillar, but it holds a deadly secret. This South American species is one of the most venomous caterpillars in the world. Covered in bristle-like spines, the giant silkworm delivers venom that can cause severe internal bleeding. The toxin prevents blood from clotting, leading to uncontrolled bleeding and, in severe cases, death. Each year, several fatalities are reported in Brazil due to accidental contact with this caterpillar. Despite its dangerous reputation, the giant silkworm plays a vital role in its ecosystem, serving as food for birds and other predators that have adapted to avoid its venomous spines. Blue Heart 10. Glassy tiger caterpillar, the transparent phantom. Rounding out our list is the glassy tiger caterpillar, a true marvel of nature. This caterpillar has a nearly transparent body, allowing you to see its internal organs as it moves. The transparency acts as perfect camouflage, making it almost invisible against green leaves. Predators often overlook it, mistaking it for part of the foliage. When it matures, the glassy tiger caterpillar transforms into the glassy tiger butterfly, known for its delicate, glass-like wings that shimmer under sunlight. It's a perfect example of how nature combines beauty and survival in one extraordinary package. From fluffy, poodle-like caterpillars to venomous assassins, these 10 strangest caterpillars remind us that nature is full of surprises. Each species, no matter how bizarre, plays an essential role in its ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of life. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of weird and wonderful caterpillars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. There's so much more to explore, and we can't wait to take you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.